All right, guys, this one says, what is the total area of the figure shown? So I'm going to do a couple of things. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to split this so that it is two shapes instead of just one big jumbo weird shape. So you can do this a couple of different ways. I'm going to do it like that. And then I'm going to figure out what my two shapes are. So on the left, I am finding the area of a rectangle. And then on the right, I'm finding the area of just a smaller rectangle. And to find the total, I'm going to add those together. It's super important that we write all this stuff out every time and that we use our formula sheet every time. And it tells us that the formula for area of a rectangle is length times width. So I'm going to do that for both of them. All right, if I look at the big rectangle on the right, or excuse me, on the left, I'm looking at this one right here, and I have a length, it's 5, and I have a width, it's 3. So that one's going to be super easy. Let's put in length is 5, width is 3, and that tells me that my area is 15. This next one, though, isn't quite as easy. So I have a length that's 2, but I don't know how long this other side is. So when I have a mystery side like this, I've got to subtract some other stuff. And the way I figure out what to subtract is I look for sides that go in the same direction. So this blue line is going left to right. It's going sideways across my screen. So I'm going to find two other sides that do the same thing. So that would be the 6 and the 3, and when I subtract those, 6 minus 3 gives me 3. And now I can find the area of that rectangle. Length is 2, width is 3, so my area is 6. Last step is just to add those two together, and I get 21 square feet.